Welcome back to our channel, Germany 10 euro cent coin value guys. The 2000 Germany 10 euro cent coin was minted during a pivotal time in Germany's history. Just a few years prior, in 2002, the euro became the official currency for many European countries, marking a significant shift in the region's financial landscape. What makes this coin intriguing for collectors is the D-Mint mark, indicating that it was minted in Germany. Collectors often seek coins with specific mint marks due to their scarcity, and this D-Mint mark adds a layer of uniqueness to the piece. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. The gavel came down, and the 2000 Germany 10 euro cent coin was sold for $7,000. The coin's condition, rarity, and historical significance all played a role in determining its final value. As we wrap up our journey into the realm of numismatics, let's remember that these coins are more than just metal and monetary value. They encapsulate history, culture, and the stories of the nations that minted them.
Thank you for joining us on this exciting exploration of the 2002 Germany 10 euro cent coin. Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe,